on my change man with the new plan, making moves, making